All right, so we're going to do a trade recap on today's signals and my profits. So here we are. As always, make sure you guys click the link below this video to subscribe to the channel. If you guys are interested in joining the Discord group, the Telegram group, all the links are below this YouTube video. So here we are, live account, 2,500 bucks. Not the greatest start. I mean, it's a good start to the week. 2,500 bucks. You know, that's amazing money. But obviously, I could have made a lot more money. Left a lot on the table. Signals were really good. Everything just felt like it glitched out after that. My computer was running really slow. So let's go over the NAS 100. I told everyone I was buying NAS 100 at 24,963.27. And if you basically look at the chart here, you can see our signal 24,963.27. It did hit take profit 1, 2, and 3. I mean, this one shot all the way the fuck up. And again, today should have been a monster. Today should have really been a monster day for me. If I put my entry at, I put my order at the entry, and then my take profit, just even at, you know, slightly above take profit 3, that's $5,100. But if I had rode this one all the way to the top, again, it could have been a $10, $15, $20,000 day. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. So that was NAS 100. US 30. This one, basically, this one did wick me out in the beginning. So between, you know, I did make my losses back, plus ending at $2,500 in the day. But this one entry was 47,080.30, and then this one basically hit take profit 1, 2, 3. It basically shot all the way up. So again, the morning started off very, very choppy. Between US 30 and NAS 100, it started off very, very choppy. I didn't like that. But then we did basically hit, again, we hit our take profit 1, 2, and 3 on NAS 100, and then our take profit 1, 2, and 3 on US 30. So just everything, just like I said, between the signals were really solid, but you know, it basically, after that, it just, everything, it was just running really slow and choppy between my computer, trading, everything like that. So, you know, ultimately what I was looking for here, I was basically looking for it to basically hold this support zone. So pre-market, she kept basically like bottom out here, and I was looking for a push back to the upside, obviously because the government shutdown did end. So there's multiple things that play a factor here, right? It's Monday, right? Looking for the market to basically push up, be strong, bullish. Government shutdown basically came to an end, and then basically the same thing with NAS 100. This one was basically selling off here hard, right? So this one was basically selling off here extremely hard, and we were basically same thing, holding this support right here, and I want to see a push back to the upside. I did want to see this one basically push back towards these highs right here, but that was not the case. And almost the same thing with US 30, a push back to the highs right here. So yeah, not a bad start to the week. 2,500 bucks. So, you know, I'd like to do at least $10,000 this week, but we'll see what the market gives us. Not going to be greedy, take what the market gives me. You know, just slow and steady wins the way. Slow and steady wins the race. You know, I was talking to a lot of people about trading over the weekend, and I think it's very important for people to basically shoot for base hits. You know, what I mean by that is obviously you don't go for the grand slams. You just take base hits, because small base hits do add up very, very fast. So yeah, it could have been a 5, 10, 15, $20,000 day for me. Sure, it should have been. Coulda, shoulda, coulda, woulda. But I'm happy with $2,500. If I'm able to do $2,500 today, $2,500 tomorrow, $2,500 Wednesday, $2,500 Thursday, and let's say if I don't trade at all on, you know, Friday, that's $10,000 for the week, you know, and 4 weeks, you know, that's, you know, $40,000. So that's again, that's life-changing money. And it gets to the point where, you know, especially if you don't have any overhead. So in my case, I don't have any overhead. So then it's all profit, right? I don't have to, you know, I can use the money for whatever I want to buy, to make me happy, to fulfill like that emptiness or void. It might be a wave runner, you know, it might be a dirt bike or whatever. So, you know, I think that's when it really helps. You know, I think that's when trading gets easier for people, is when they reduce their overhead and then eliminate that stress. So again, it's always live account. This account basically has $80,000 in it. So again, this is proof for you guys. What the fuck was that? I think my desk just broke. Whatever. Anyways, I am going to call it here. I have no idea what the fuck that noise was. That's crazy. Anyways, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you dudes in the next one.